Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to split screen on any Android phone. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy running Android 14, but this works on other Android phones as well. So the default way or the easiest way of going into split screen mode is going into multitasking mode. Now, if you're using buttons, then that's obviously that multitasking button to get into multitasking mode. And if you're using gestures like on this phone, you just swipe and hold, and that takes you into multitasking mode. So make sure one of the apps you want to use in split screen mode is running in the background. So for instance, if you want to use YouTube, make sure it's open and running in the background. And then go into multitasking mode, tap on the app icon at the top, and then you should see open in split screen view or split screen. You should see a split screen option. So I'll tap on it, and that's going to put that in split screen. And with that app at the top, then I can select another app right here in the bottom. So you have recent apps, and then also you can come here to the main app screen and select a different application to use in split screen. So as you can see, I can do my calculations as my YouTube video is playing. I can adjust how much screen each app occupies in the split screen depending on my needs. And when I'm done, I can just close one of the apps and get out of split screen mode. And that is basically how to use split screen on any Android phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.